If everybody's white and everybody's red in line, and the sky covers over the line. If
Today
everybody's
we're going to be
white,
looking at some questions on how to solve triangles, finding unknown angles in a triangle. So, as you've known, sum of angle in a triangle is 180 degrees. So let me put up the topic there: solving unknown triangle, solving unknown in a triangle. So then I have a question here. This particular triangle, 50, 15, so one goes out. You see, draw the triangle. Question 1. Question 1. Drawing this. There is it. Triangle. And the other one, line that cuts across the space, like this. And we have the angles. This is an angle, angle, this is an angle. So with that, we have some labelings there, and that's we have 115 in X. So this place is 105 degrees. This place is degrees. This is X. So you have to find X. Find X. To find X is very simple. All you need to do is to look for this other angle first. I look for the other angle by using sum of angle in a straight line is 180. Then you use sum of angle in a straight line in a triangle is 180 also to find X. Or you rather say 115 is opposite angle to 50 and X. So you can say 115 degrees equal to 50 degrees plus X. So I can say X equal to 15 degrees minus 50. So with that, minus 50 degrees, then I have 115, 100 minus 50, that's 65. So X equals to 65 degrees. Now, if I don't use this method, I'll use the first method by comparing this angle here and this angle here, 180. So I say I combine them. That means if I put this to the Y, so I say Y plus 115 equal to 180. Then I have Y equal to 180 minus 115. Also, Y will be, I say 180 minus, that's is going to be if it's 120, that's 60, so it's going to be 65. So if Y is 65, then I need to find my X, and I can say 50 degrees plus Y plus X is 180 because there are some angles in a triangle. So Y is already 65, so 50 plus 65 plus X equals to 180. Then I say X equals to 180 minus addition of this, which is 115. And that gives me 65. So that is pretty cheap. We're going to look at the second one now before I clear the screen. So here is the second question. See, it's another triangle that you look at. Triangle, though it's facing other way, let me just do 35, 75, and x. So I have a triangle like this. That's number 2. So I have a triangle like this. It goes down like this, and this comes through like this. So with these, I have something that is inside a triangle. 1, 2. This is also an angle, but this is 75 degrees. Then the other angles are 35 and x. So this place is 35 degrees, 35 degrees, and 6. So I find it x. So again, I can say 35 plus x is 75. So I have, or I use 2 methods here. Anyone I use, say this is opposite angle. So say 75 equal to 35 plus x. So x equals to 75 minus 35. So 70 minus 30 is 40 degrees. So that is 40 degrees. Then, having done that, we're going to look at another kind of question that you see on the triangle, like this one. So when you look at this, let me go back there and see. So these are other kind of triangles, but it's the same method we are using. Let's try the first one. This is having a property that you might not be familiar with. So that's question 3. For question 3, I have a triangle here, like this, something like this, and this, then like this. So I have a property indicated here, which is something like this. Now, I'll do that first. Something like this, and it's showing. Yes, it's showing something like this on this one, while it's showing the same thing on the other side. So, and this simply means that we have an isosceles triangle. Yes, if 2 sides are equal, means this angle must be equal in an isosceles triangle. So let's look at the values, or let's fix the angles first. I have an angle here, I have an angle here, and I have an angle here. So this angle and this angle must be equal because these are base angles of an isosceles triangle. Whenever you see any symbol like this, you're talking about isosceles triangle. That means this line is equal to this line, then this angle must be equal to the base angle here. So let's look at it. We have 80 at the top, then x and y. So this is 80 degrees here. 80 degrees. I have 80. Then I have this place to be x, or this place to be y. So I'm looking for x and y. The first thing to take note of is x equals to y. So I can say equals to x too. So I can call them x and x. So I can add them together and say x plus y plus 80 equal to 180. So then if x is y or x is y, so I can say x plus x plus 80 is 180. So then I have 2x equals to 180 minus 80, and then x equals to 50. So if x equals to 50 degrees, just hold your peace. So x equals, this is no more triangle, this is just linear equation. So if you know how to find your way through this, since you have x plus x plus 80 equals 180, then you divide both sides by 2, and you find your way after subtracting 5 divided by 2. That's 100 over 3 is 50, so what's fine. Okay, the next question, I have another question here. I have another question, which is number 3, number 4. It's another triangle. And look at the type of triangle that is. Okay, I have this combined triangle. Let me see. Okay. Let me see this one. This is like a combined triangle. Like this one. This is a triangle. There's a line. The side of the triangle. Then the other side of the triangle. And the other side of it. So after having this, then it's been slashed again like this one. So from here to this place or something like that. So if we have this, then we have some angles to look at for. I have 60, we have 35 in M here. So yeah, okay. Hold on. I'm seeing a property somewhere there. That means I have to work on this order line. Let me do this line again. So here, let it appear. I know. The old thing again. This is not supposed to be that long. So see, yeah. At least to be a little bit to scale. Okay. Then I join this together now. Start. Now, okay. Have something like this. So having something like this, and I have a property here, which is showing that this side is parallel. This, then it's showing this side and the other side in parallel. I mean, they are like equal, not parallel this time around. They're equal. So I need to label some of the angles. We have this angle. So the angle at the top is 35, then I have M here at the bottom. So this is 35 degrees. 35 degrees. And this place is M. That means I'm going to find M. And finding M, I need to find another angle here, N. And the up there is 60. So I'm finding N. And this place is 60 degrees. So to find my hem, it's pretty simple. I need to know this place. So I can call it, K or anything. And before I can know this place, I need to know this third angle first. This is an isosceles triangle. Base angle 35 and M are the base angle, and they are equal. So I need to know this place to call it L. So I have M equal to 35. Because they are base angle of an isosceles triangle. Since two sides are equal, then the base angle must be equal. So since they are equal like that, then I have 70. So M plus 35 is 70. Then that means L 70 is 180. So L equals to 180 minus 70, and that is 110 degrees. So once you have that at 110 degrees, you translate it on this straight line. Some of I'm going to straight line is 180. When you have anything like this, this is a straight line, and a line cross is this angle and this angle. They are on a straight line. You add them together, it forms like a triple, that's 180. So that's why you say some angle on a straight line is 180. Then I mean K plus L to 180, and L is 110. So that means K equals to 180 minus 10. And that's K equals to 70. So once I know my K is 70, then I can find this one. So I have it in a triangle that, let's see. So I have it in a triangle that n plus 60 plus 70 is 180. So if I'm going to triangle, so n equals to 180 minus 130, and n equals to 50 degrees. So that is pretty simple. We're going to look at one or two more questions. Let me save this here, and we'll be able to come back to that later. So let's look at this particular one. It says find missing angles and missing angles. This is what it is, okay? Let's see. Try this. Alright. Okay, let's draw this out. See. Sharing the screen for number 5. For number 5, this is what I have. A straight line, a line crossing, line dividing that. So I have the going arrow lines, okay? So I have a straight line all from top to bottom. Straight line like this. Then I have a line dividing it this way. Check it again. Dividing this way. And I have another line cutting this. Yeah. So this is what I have. Then I have the angles. Yeah. So this is an angle. It's an angle. It's an angle. Angle. And this is an angle. So with that, I have the first angle given there to 139. Oh no, this is 139 degrees. See? While these others are either X and Y. So I have X here, I have Y here. Then I have this angle to 49 degrees. 49 degrees. When you see anything like this, you might need to be using some angle on a straight line all through. So if you consider 139 and Z, 139 and Z, that should be 180 because on a straight line, and Z on this particular straight line. So I have Z 180 minus 139, 140 should be 40, and that is 41 degrees. So if Z is 41 degrees, then I have another straight line, vertical line here. I have 3 angles on it. That is Z plus Y is 49 equals 180. And I know my Z to be 41. So 41 plus Y plus 49 is 180. So Y equals to 180 minus, this is 90. Minus 90. So that's going to be 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Yes, that's the answer there. Then we're going to look at the last letter that we're looking for there. To find this X, we're going to compare Y 49 and X also on a straight line. So you have Y plus 49 plus X equals 180. So I can go on this straight line. Then I have Y to be 90, so 90 plus 49 plus X equals to 180. Then you can divide it all. something like this. Then I have x is 180 minus, what's the addition of 49? That is 139. So I have 139. So when you remove 130, that's 59, that's 41 degrees. So with that, we have come to the end of this session on solving unknown angles, the triangle. So I'm going to stop sharing the screen right now. Then I'm going to meet for another. Thank you very much for being a part of this.